In this video, we'll master the SIPOC diagram to streamline your business processes. You'll learn how to define, analyze, and build one effectively using the power of Lucidchart. First, let's start with the basics. To understand the foundation of process improvement, we must first ask the most fundamental question: what is a SIPOC diagram? What is a SIPOC diagram? A SIPOC diagram is a high-level visual tool used to identify all relevant elements of a process improvement project before the actual work begins. What does SIPOC stand for? Suppliers, inputs, process, outputs, customers? These 5 categories ensure you capture every critical component of your workflow in one clear, collaborative view. Many teams wonder about the difference between SIPOC versus value stream mapping, VSM. While they seem similar, they serve very different strategic purposes for your business. SIPOC versus value stream mapping, VSM. SIPOC is used for high-level scoping, while VSM provides a deep dive into data, timelines, and waste within a specific workflow. Knowing when to use SIPOC is just as important as knowing how to build one. Let's look at the best times to implement this tool in your workflow. When to use SIPOC. Use it during initial project scoping to define boundaries, or when onboarding new team members to provide a clear, high-level process overview. Benefits of SIPOC analysis include improved cross-functional communication and a simplified view of complex systems, ensuring everyone stays aligned from the start of a project to finish. Now for the secret to success: map it backwards, COPIS. This approach flips the script to focus on what matters most to your organization, your customer. Secret to success: map it backwards, COPIS. Why starting with the customer and their needs often leads to a more accurate diagram. This method ensures every step provides value. Are you ready to build? Let's walk through this step-by-step tutorial. How to create a SIPOC diagram directly within your Lucidchart workspace right now. Step-by-step tutorial. How to create a SIPOC diagram. Start by identifying your customers and their requirements first. Then, define the outputs that satisfy those needs and the high-level process steps. Finally, list the inputs needed for those process steps and identify the suppliers who provide them. Use lines to connect related elements across your columns for total clarity. By mastering the SIPOC diagram, you can eliminate ambiguity and drive efficiency. Open Lucidchart today to start mapping your next project and accelerate your team's success.